In Qlik Sense 3.2, available in the Developer Hub, we now offer a powerful new QlikView converter for customers that have existing QlikView applications and want to migrate or copy them to Qlik Sense. The converter reads QlikView application files and allows users to select dimensions, expressions, variables, and visualizations that they want to import into Qlik Sense. A Qlik Sense starter app is created with selected objects that are then populated in the master library of this Qlik Sense app, with some visualization functionality replicated where compatible. Going forward, we plan to update the converter to support additional functionality. Let me give you a brief example. I have a QlikView application here, and it has expressions, it has dimensions, and it has a few visualizations and some list boxes. If I go to my Explorer, you can see that this application is saved as Sales Report QVW. If we switch over to Qlik Sense and we access the Developer Hub, there is a utility under Tools called the QlikView Converter. And what we can do is we can drag that QVW onto the target area, and it'll import and process all of those various objects. So now we have our processed objects under this title here called Sales Report. It'll show us the sheets, and it categorizes all of the objects in different tabs. Now, it'll make some recommendations as to which objects should be selected and not selected based off of the compatibility at this time with the converter. So we can see that within the sheets, we have the different names of the objects, as well as the option to choose those objects to convert those over. By default, filter panels are not converted. We can see a list of all the different dimensions, all of the expressions or measures. If there are any variables that are available, they will populate over as well. And any unsupported objects, if recognized, will be displayed in the unconverted objects. Then on this side, you can see the various visualization types, tables, dimensions as well. If you choose to select those particular items and you're ready to convert, you click Create App. And what it'll do is it'll create a copy of that app in your work area. So if I go back to my Qlik Sense Hub and I refresh, you can see I now have an app called Sales Report. And as I mentioned earlier, objects that are supported within the converter will be placed within the master items, as you see here. And there's our visualizations. So there's my gauge and my bar chart. There are my measures. And here are some of my dimensions.